Welcome to Canary Dalat Hotel, your gateway to serenity in the heart of Vietnam's Dalat. To embark on this exceptional experience, simply scan the QR code displayed on screen or consult the description below for effortless booking. Nestled amidst tranquil surroundings, this charming hotel invites you to discover a haven of peace and comfort. Canary Dalat Hotel boasts 40 well-appointed rooms, each thoughtfully designed to offer a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Imagine waking up to the gentle embrace of the Dalat air, ready to explore the wonders that await. Our doors are open to families, creating cherished memories for both young and old. Children aged 5 and under stay free of charge, making Canary Dalat Hotel the perfect destination for a memorable family vacation. As you enter, you'll be greeted by a warm ambience and our attentive staff, dedicated to ensuring your every comfort. Each room is a sanctuary, elegantly appointed and equipped with modern amenities, promising a restful stay. Awaken your senses with a delightful breakfast at our on-site restaurant, where a selection of local and international dishes awaits. Later, unwind in our cozy lounge, sipping a refreshing beverage as you reflect on the day's adventures. Conveniently located, Canary Dalat Hotel offers easy access to Dalat's most captivating attractions, from the vibrant Dalat Flower Park to the historic Bao Dai's Summer Palace. Enjoy special complimentary services such as breakfast and a welcome drink. Embrace the opportunity for a later departure with our offered late checkout. Don't delay the journey. Scan the QR code now to secure your stay at Canary Dalat Hotel.